Hello and welcome students to the section 7 website pen testing lab setup and overview. In this section we are going to take a look at these points. First of all, we will learn about Xampp server and the installation procedure. Then we will learn about the buggy web application hosting. Later we will learn about website overview and then website pen testing overview. Download and install Xampp server in Kali Linux. In this video, we will take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn how to download the Xampp server inside Kali Linux operating system and how to install Xampp server inside Kali Linux. So open your Kali Linux operating system and then I will show you that how you can download and install Xampp. So here we are on Kali Linux operating system and first of all, to download Xampp server, open your browser inside Kali Linux and simply type in Google download Xampp in Kali Linux. I need to change my proxy settings. So I need to take on user system proxy settings. Let me try it again. Yeah. So here you can see that you can see the first link available, that how you can download it, and this is the downloading. This is the official website of Xampp, so you can click on it. So guys, this is the official website to download Xampp server, and as we are working on Kali Linux, so we need to find the version for Kali Linux operating system. So this is for Windows operating system. If you come down, so you can see that this version is for Linux operating system. So you can download any one. For example, you can download the first one, which is for 64-bit, 132 MB is the size, right? So you can just click on this link and it will start the downloading procedure. Here it is. So you can see here that it is 132 MB file, right? You can click on save file and click OK. So here you can see that it is going to download inside your system. Now I have already downloaded it, so let me show you that how you can install it. So guys, here I'm going to show you that how you can install Xampp server inside your Kali Linux operating system. I'm assuming that you have already downloaded Xampp from the official website. So let me show you where it is. So let me click on downloads and the xampp.run file should be here. Here it is. This is xampp.run file. Right click here, in the properties you can see here the size. So I need to install it inside Kali Linux operating system. So let me show you that how you can do this. First of all, to install this file, you need to open the terminal of Kali Linux. Let me zoom it for you. Now I need to go to the particular directory where the file available. So the file is inside downloads. Let me go to the downloads. So cd space downloads. Hit enter. So you are inside downloads. Now you can type ls to list all the files available in downloads. So these all are the files available in the downloads folder. So you can see here xampp.run is available here and I need to install it. Before installation procedure, I need to provide some permissions for execution. So let me type chmod change mode plus execute and the file name xampp.run and hit enter. So the permission has been given. Now to install it, you can simply type // and xampp.run and hit enter. So now it will start the installation procedure inside Kali Linux operating system. You just need to wait here before it will show you some user interface. So here it is. You can minimize it, don't close it, just minimize this. So this is the setup of Xampp, and you just need to click on next and make sure to tick on both of the files. Click next. So Xampp will be installed in /opt/lamp file. So you need to remember this directory /opt/lamp. Click next. Go ahead. And next. So here you can see that the installation procedure has been begun, and after completion of this process, the Xampp will be install inside Kali Linux operating system. And with this server we can host many buggy web applications. So I will show you in the next video that how we can host a buggy web application inside Xampp server. So that's why Xampp server is really important, because without this we can't host any web application inside it. This Xampp server I think has been installed, and you just need to tick here to launch Xampp and click finish. Now Xampp will automatically start. So here you can see this is the Xampp server panel, and you can click on manage servers. So Apache is running, but MySQL database is not running. So let me click on start, or you can also click on restart all, so that all services will restart again. So you can let me click on restart all. So the services are running now, and let me show you if Xampp is working perfect or not. So open your browser and close everything, open a new tab, and here you can type 127.0.0.1 and hit enter. So you can see here that Xampp is showing. It means that Xampp is working perfectly inside Kali Linux operating system, and it has installed. So this is the process that how you can install the Xampp server inside Kali Linux operating system. So this is a simple process, right? So you can also close it if you want, right? And let me show you one more thing. You can close everything now. For example, if you want to restart the services again from the terminal, so how you can do this? So to do that, you can type cd/opt/lamp/lamp start. You can remove cd from here because we don't need it. Hit enter. So you can see here that it is showing you that what are the services running inside Kali Linux operating system, right? So Xampp server is running inside Kali Linux operating system, and we have successfully downloaded and installed Xampp inside the operating system. So this is the process of installation procedure. So in the next video we will learn that how you can download and host buggy web application inside Xampp server. So that we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you so much.